Hello, in this lecture we shall see that how to submit your project reports for 12th standard electronics final year. You have to submit the project report for the 12th standard electronics final examination of HSC board examination, and for that you will have to download, edit and submit the project report from our website. And it is very simple procedure. What you have to do, you have to go to your browser and then type our website address. It is vsa.edu.in and press enter. So once you enter it, what you have to do is to type the search query over here, that is editable project reports, and press enter. Then you will go to this project, post 12 standard projects editable project reports in MS Word. We have provided all the project reports in MS Word file. Then on this page you have to go to our Google Drive, and here you will find two folders. This folder is for paper 1 and this folder is for paper 2. Depending on the suggestions given to you by your guide, the guide teacher, you have to select the particular project. If you click on paper 1, you will see large number of these projects over here which are already available for downloading. You just have to click on this project and right click and then click download. For example, if I download this project over here, it is completely editable, and you can see here this project is downloaded, and now I open that project in MS Word. You have to change the year over here. It is 2021. Delete this part and delete this part and make it as 22. So it is for 2021-22. Then you have to come to this point. Here you have to change the college name. Double click on this and then right click on this and go to edit text, so that the college name will appear. You can change the college name depending on your requirement. And once you change the college name, just press OK, so that the college name will change over here. You have to take the signature of principal and the project guide together, and this is the simply the certificate. Here you have to write down the name of the project, and here you have to write down your own name, complete name, and then take the signature of principal and the project guide. Then you come to the acknowledgement part, where I have put my name, but you can change this name according to your project guide. You can simply change that name to the project guide, because this file is editable and you can simply change the name whatever you like. So this is the acknowledgement part. Then the project starts over here. It is a photo relay project, so the information regarding light dependent resistor, then the circuit diagram is given over here, and then you have to take the readings after constructing the project. Then write down the specifications over here according to the procedure, and then here also there are some specification you have to include, the dark resistance and the light resistance of the LDR, because you will have to actually construct that circuit. We also provide the construction help for these types of projects. If you want to construct such type of project, then contact us on our website. The website is vsa.edu.in. This website is here, and then you go to the contacts, this one, this menu over here, and just fill in the contact form, so that you can contact us. Just fill up the first name, then the surname, your email address, then your contact number, and write down the message and just then submit it, so that we will contact you as soon as possible. So you can download the projects according to your suggestions given by the guide, and after that, once you download all these projects or any one particular project, you have to mention the last page over here. You have to mention some important points over here, the costing of the project. So in costing of the project, what you have to do, that it is suppose that you have already purchased these components from the market and actually assembled the circuit. So you just have to name, give the prices of all the components that you purchase from the market. Change the name, change the year over here, 2021 or 22, depending on your project submission. Then go to big bibliography here, and here your project completes. Then you have to print this project in the on A4 size paper, because we have used A4 size layout for this one. Custom size is A4 over here, and these projects are available on A4 size, and you can then write down the costing of the project and simply submit the project in your college for further process. Note down that you will get 40 marks for this project, 20 marks for project 1 and 20 marks for project 2. But in your college, this has been the regular practice, that only single project is required for the project submission, and for that single project 40 marks are allotted for the project work. So in that way you will be able to use all these project reports, and with that we come to the end of this part. Remember, you have to go to the website, our website vsa.edu.in over here, and then you have to search the editable project reports, and then this is the post. You have to click on this post, and simply there are a lot of projects available on this Google Drive link. Then out of these projects you can simply select the project as you required. For project paper 2, there are lots of projects available. All these projects are available in doc or docx file, so you can edit them as per your requirement. So I wish you all the best for the project submission. Thank you.